Hello students, today we will start the brain teasers of Unit 4 and the first question is tick the correct answer. So first question is 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 9 is. So that means you have to subtract these two fractions. So then we will get the answer. So let us solve it. So question number 1, multiple choice question. Take the correct option. A part is 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 9. So do you remember how to subtract the fractions? Yes, we have to take the LCM first. So LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. How? So first of all we have to divide by prime numbers only. So 3 is a prime number, so 3 comes in the table of 3 only. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. And then again 3 comes in the table of 3. So the LCM is 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. Now we will solve it directly. How? First fraction 1 upon 3. So recite the table of denominator till the LCM. So what is our LCM? 3 multiplied by 3 3s are 9. So we have to multiply the numerator with the same number. So then जो sign बीच में है, that is minus, then 1 upon 9. Then I'm going to recite the table of denominator till LCM, that is 9 ones are 9. Now again we will have to multiply the same number with numerator. Now solve it. 3 ones are 3 upon 9 and 1 ones are 1 upon 9. Now subtract it. So 3 minus 1, here the denominators are equal, so 3 minus 1, that is 2 upon 9. So let us see whether any option is like this, 2 upon 9. So yes, 2 upon 9 is our answer. Now that's B part. A fraction is greater than 1 if जो हमारा fraction है वो 1 से बड़ा कब होता है? When numerator is equal to denominator. So let us take one example. Numerator is equal to denominator. So numerator or denominator, any number, suppose 7 divided by 7. So here the numerator and denominator are equal. Let us solve it. So 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So answer is 1. So it is not greater than 1. It is equal to 1. So this is not the correct answer. Next is numerator is less than denominator. So what is our numerator is less than denominator? So let us take 3 upon 7. So now solve it. Can we divide 3 by 7? No, because 7 के table में 3 नहीं आता. So it is less than 1. And next case, numerator is greater than denominator. So here we will divide it. 7 divided by 3. So here numerator is greater than denominator. So let us divide. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 2 and 1 upon 3. So yes, it is more than 1. It is greater than 1. So greater than 1 कब आता है? When numerator is greater than denominator. So yes, this is the correct answer. Now the next one, C part. 2 upon 3 of an hour is equal to dash minutes. So 2 upon 3 of an hour. R को हमें किस में convert करना है? Minutes में. So how can we solve it? 2 upon 3 of an hour. C part. 2 upon 3 of an hour. An hour means 1 hour. So how can we solve it? 2 upon 3. I have already told you what do you mean by this of. Of means multiply. An hour means how many minutes are there in 1 hour? There are 60 minutes. So solve it. Multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So this now कुछ कटता है तो कटिंग कर लेते हैं. तो yes, 60 and 3 60 comes in the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 20, and now 22s are 40. So 40 minutes is the answer. So let us see, any option is there? Yes, 40 minutes is there. So this is our correct answer. Next one is D part, what number should be added to 8 upon 9 to get 9 upon 8? So हम क्या नंबर 8 upon 9 में ऐड करें to get 9 upon 8? So let us try to understand this question. Suppose question is like this, 5 में हम क्या ऐड करें, 5 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि हमारा आंसर 12 आ जाए. 5 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि हमारा आंसर 12 आ जाए. तो हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट द आंसर, दिस नंबर. सो फॉर दिस वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस, जो हमारा ऐड करके आंसर आया उससे हमें 5 को माइनस करेंगे. सो 12 माइनस 5 अगर हम करते हैं तो व्हाट इज अवर आंसर, दैट इज 7. सो यहाँ पर क्या आएगा हमारे पास आंसर 7. 7 will come over here. So 7 plus 5 is 12. So in this way we can solve. So what we have to do, we have to subtract 9 upon 8 minus 8 upon 9. So now you know how to subtract. First of all, take the LCM. So take the LCM of 8 and 9. So it is 72, 8 and 9. So here 8 is a even number, so it will come in the table of 2. 2 4s are 8. 9 does not comes in the table of 2, so we will write as it is. Now again 2 2s are 4. 9 does not come. 2 1s are 2. In 9 does not come. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So always 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 is 24 and 24, 3 is 72. So our LCM is 72. Now how to solve it? Take the first fraction 9 upon 8. Now recite the table of denominator till LCM. So 8 के table में LCM 72 कहाँ था? 8 9 is 72. So we will multiply it by 9. बीच में minus. Then second fraction 8 upon 9. 9 का टेबल रिसाइड करेंगे 72 तक. 9 8 जा 72. सो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8 होगी. जिस नंबर से नीचे डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं सेम उसी नंबर से न्यूमिनेटर को भी करते हैं. सो 9 9 जा 81 अपॉन 72 माइनस 8 8 जा 64 माइनस 72. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. 81 माइनस 64 अपॉन 72. So subtract it. So 17 upon 72. So this is the answer. So let us check, is there any option like this, 17 upon 72? So yes, the answer is 17 upon 72. So this is the correct answer. Now what fraction is the shaded portion? जो ये शेडेड पोर्शन है कितना फ्रैक्शन है? सो दिस इज कंप्लीट 1, दिस इज कंप्लीट 1 एंड दिस इज हाउ मच? 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. नाउ कितना हो गया टोटल फ्रैक्शन? टोटल अगर हम इसकी बात करें तो 1 plus 1 2, 2 and 3 by 4. So here 2 and 3 by 4, this is the correct answer. So these are the multiple choice question. Now next one is find the sum. So you know how to add these fractions. Let us solve one part. Question number 2. I will do B part for you, or A part. Let us do 7 plus 1 and 1 by 2 plus 9 upon 5. So first of all convert this mixed number into improper. So 7 plus 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2 plus 9 upon 5. So here whole number में हम क्या करते हैं, नीचे 1 लगा सकते हैं अगर आपने लगाना हो. अगर नहीं भी लगाएंगे तो there is no problem. So first of all we have to take the LCM of all the three numbers. 1 2 and 5. So 1 हम ले या ना ले कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So 2 and 5. So LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. 2 1s are 2, 5 and 5 ones are, so LCM is 2 into 5, that is 10. So again we have to solve it in the same way जैसे हमने ऊपर किया subtraction. So first is your 7 upon 1. जब हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है हम नीचे 1 लिख सकते हैं. Recite the table of 1 till LCM. 1 10s are 10, so we have to multiply it by 10. Then बीच में जो भी साइन है प्लस है तो प्लस, माइनस है तो माइनस. So here is plus 3 upon 2. Now recite the table of 2 till LCM, that is 10. So 2 5s are 10. Then we have to multiply it by numerator also. Then 9 upon 5. Recite the table of denominator till LCM. 5 2s are 10 and 2. Now solve it. 7 10s is 70 upon 10 plus 3 5s are 15 upon 10 plus 9 2s are 18 upon 10. Now add them. So it is 13 3 1 carry over 7 8 9 10. 103 upon 10. Now you can convert this into the improper fraction. So how can we convert? So it is 10 and 3 upon 10. 10 10s are 100 plus 3. So it is 10 and 3 upon 10. So this is our answer. In this way you can add the given fractions. Now next question is also same. And then we have to subtract it. In third question we have to subtract 4 and 1 upon 3 from 6. और जब हमारे पास from आ जाता है बीच में तो how we have to subtract? हम second number minus first number हम करते हैं. So you know how to subtract. बस हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि यहाँ पर हमने 6 minus 4 and 1 upon 2 करना है. From जब बीच में लगता है तो we have to subtract 6 minus 4 and 1 upon 2, and in this B part 7 and 3 upon 5 minus 2 and 1 upon 2. Next one, find the value of. इसको solve करेंगे और इसकी हमें value निकालनी है. Let us solve this question also. Question number 4. Question number 4. So what is the question? Find the value of 2 and 3 upon 5 plus 3 and 1 upon 2 minus 2 and 1 upon 8. So here यहाँ पर प्लस और माइनस दोनों ही हमको गिवन है. So no problem, we will do it, solve it in the same way. First of all, convert this mixed number into improper fraction. So 5 to 10 plus 3 13 upon 5 plus 3 to 6 plus 1 7 upon 2 minus it was 16 plus 1 17 upon 8. So first of all we have to take the LCM of all the three numbers denominators together. हम इनको अलग अलग सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे, एक साथ ही सॉल्व करेंगे. How? LCM of 5 2 and 8. So here two numbers are even, so we will take divide by 2. So 5 does not come, so we will write as it is. 2 1s are 2, 4s are 8. Again 2 1 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2 and 1, and last one is 5. 5 is the prime number. 5 1 1. Now LCM. What is our LCM? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 2 is 4, 4 is 8, and 8 5 is 40. So our LCM is 40. Now we will solve it. Now first fraction 13 upon 5. Recite the table of 5 till LCM. 40. 5 8 is 40 and 8 plus 7 upon 2. So now recite the table of 2 till 40. So 2 20 is 40, and we will multiply it also by 20. Now next is your 8. So 17 upon 8. Now recite the table of 8 till LCM. 8 5 is 40 multiplied by 5. Now solve it. So it is 104 upon 40 and plus 140 upon 40 minus 85 upon 40. Now we have to solve it. So how can we solve? What we will do, we'll write 40, then 104 plus 140 minus 85. So first of all add these two. Add these two, then subtract जो भी इनका ऐड करके आंसर आता है उससे 85 subtract करेंगे. So 104 plus 140, that is 244 minus 85 upon 40. Subtracted. So 9 and 159 upon 40. So now convert this into a mixed number. How to convert? Divide करेंगे हम. 40, 4 4 is 16, so it is greater than, so we will divide it. 159 divided by 40. So 4 4 is 16 is more than this. 4 40, 3 is 120, so it is 39. So the answer is 3 and 39 upon 40. So this is the answer. So in this way we have to solve such type of questions. So still many questions are left in the brain teaser. So we will do the remaining question in our next video. Thank you.